Don't know if you can, how well this is going to come out in the video, but you can see the rain line right there. So look at the video and see how well that comes out. Got a thundercloud overhead here, but it's not raining here. It's just right there, which is good since I'm barbecuing. You know, looks like it's raining a little bit right in through there too. That's more defined now. There you go, you can really see it now. Doesn't appear to be raining anywhere else. Back out, you can actually see it. Even in the back out now, it's become a pretty large area. And that's right over New London.